Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to face you need the official WhatsApp to use this account problem. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily face this error, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, then you search for your WhatsApp. Now if your WhatsApp is not updated to the latest version, you have to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So you can see if your WhatsApp is not updated, just update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And once you are done with this, all you need to do is to just open your settings. Once you open your settings, then you click on apps and notifications. Once you click on apps and notifications, all you need to do is to click on app settings or application settings depending on the phone that you're using. Now just scroll down, and once you scroll down over here, just look for your WhatsApp. So just look for WhatsApp, scroll to where you can find the WhatsApp over here. Okay, so you can see your WhatsApp. Just click on WhatsApp, and once you click on that, you can see storage and cache. All you need to do is to clear cache and also storage of your WhatsApp. So you have to clear cache and then the storage of your WhatsApp, and also go back. Once you go back, you go to where you can see your Google Play services. Just click on that, and once you click on that, same thing, you click on storage and cache, then you clear cache and storage of your Google Play services. Now once you are done, just go back and then click on Google Play Store. Once you click on Google Play Store, then you click on storage and cache. You clear cache and then storage of your Google Play Store, and by doing this your problem will be fixed. Also, I will advise you to report this problem to Team WhatsApp if you are still facing this problem. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new